Blame God. I think God has a special way of awarding them the match. And I think what we have to do is take it in the spirit of sportsmanship. Go back home and then get better. And it's getting better. Having a second position is not a bad position. They hosted the competition. And just God gave them grace from coming from where the best loser and to win the cup. It means that God just decided to reward them. God of football. When it has to do with African competitions, they you allow an equal participation. But in this case, they gave them everything, and they are in their hometown. So, what do we do? They've done well. I think we have to re-strategize and grow from strength to strength. And at the same time, to thank the team and management, because we really fought. We have the best result in the whole competition. So for me, it's a good game. It's a game of football. You win some days, you lose some days. But today we did well, even though you can see the match is highly occupied, and then the fans were, pushing so much.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.